A lot of juniors ask us this question that whether to read the text from the textbook or to make notes from them. Well, I would say you should do both. First, you have to read the textbook, clear your concepts, and then you have to write the points in short for yourself. I am Kayan and welcome back to our channel Masked Medicoz. And today I am going to discuss with you guys how to make notes efficiently in MBBS. At first, you might find it time consuming, but it will save a lot of your time during revisions in future. And also, it will help you cover your whole syllabus of MBBS in very short period of time before your exams. Well, taking notes requires skills. It won't happen overnight and it can take you some time to learn how to take efficient notes. But as we have heard that practice makes a man perfect, you will definitely improve with practice, but you have to hang in there. A lot of students ask us whether to write down notes on a piece of paper or to use an iPad for it. Well, definitely note making on iPad is in trend, but if it were up to me, then I would definitely prefer handwritten notes because they improve your hand-brain coordination, which will help you a lot in your exams, and also they will feel more personal to you. No doubt that iPad is portable and it can be very friendly and you can study from it anywhere, anytime. But rather than making notes on your iPad directly, I would suggest that you make a PDF of your own handwritten notes. So in this way, you can have both your handwritten notes and as well as a soft copy of your notes. Also, I would suggest you not to go for the ready-made or printed notes available in the market. Obviously, you can learn from it, study it and clear your doubts, but prefer making your own notes yourself. Now, coming to the most important question, what is the correct way of writing notes or what is the most efficient way of taking down your notes? Obviously, there is no point in just copying down the whole information from the textbook. Rather, you have to read the topic. It can be from your textbook, online sources, articles, or any other source that you can find. Read the text 1 to 2 times, then find out what is the important information, mark it by underlining it or highlighting it. Then break it into points and write down those points on a different piece of paper or a separate notebook and in an easy way so that you can retain all the information. Write it down in points or bullets. Also include diagrams, flowcharts, pie charts wherever necessary. And don't focus on forming grammatical sentences. Avoid using the words like is, an, on, the, and use short forms of the word like also known as. You can write it down as aka. Between you can write it as b/w as it is too time consuming and you should avoid the long forms of the word. And you can use mnemonics to retain the information in a much better way. You should prefer using 2 to 3 different color pens because while revising it will get easier to differentiate between the heading, subheading, the different points and the important technical terms. Also, there is a general tip for boys and girls that boys please use more than one color. खाली blue pen ही use मत करना and girls avoid using too many colors वरना पता चला कि नोट से ज़्यादा टाइम तो यही चूज करने में लग गया कि कौन सा कलर का पेन यूज करना है.
बात तो सही है.
Try to make neat and systematic notes so that while revising them you will enjoy studying them and also there will be very less chances of you getting confused at the very end moment. Also, leave some blank space after each and every topic so that if you have to add some points regarding that topic in near future then you can add them. Now, coming to different subjects. In anatomy, the syllabus is very vast and it goes without saying that there are tons of technical terms in it. So you have to remember just the important ones and make diagrams of the concerned body part, organ, muscle, bone wherever necessary. In physiology, there are many mechanisms, so prefer making flowcharts for them. In biochemistry, there are many cycles and you have to remember the name of the compounds. There is no shortcut or alternative in it, so for the cycles, prefer making flowcharts and write down the mechanisms in easy language. All the 19 subjects of MBBS, they are interconnected, so you have to brush up your concepts in the future years also. ऐसा नहीं है कि फर्स्ट ईयर में एनाटॉमी पढ़ा है तो वो फाइनल ईयर में जाके काम में नहीं आने वाला है. एंड अगर फाइनल ईयर में जाकर आपको एनाटॉमी का कोई टॉपिक रिवाइज करना है, एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आप बीडीसी या वो ग्रेस एनाटॉमी में वो टॉपिक नहीं ढूंढोगे. if you have made notes, then it will be very helpful at that time. Also, if you are preparing for competitive exams, then also it will be very helpful if you have made notes. Also, I would suggest you not to take down notes during your lectures, because in lectures, until the time you figure out what to write and what to not, boom, the slide changes. It is that fast. So you will lose your focus on what the professor is trying to say. So instead, just write down the name of the topic that is taught in the class and focus on the professor and clear your concepts during the lecture. When you come back home, you can read that topic from the textbook and also mark the subtopics that are from the previous year questions or the IMPs given from your seniors and make notes from them. Initially, it will take some time and you might as well get frustrated while writing notes. But later on, your speed and accuracy both will improve. And trust me, it will be very much rewarding during your exam time, and it will be worth every minute that you have spent while making notes. So, this is it for today's video. If you liked our work, then don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your batchmates. And also subscribe to our channel Medicoz for more such amazing content.